9-year-old child found wandering on Montrose Road in Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Andrew Central Police are seeking the public's assistance in locating the relatives of a 9-year-old boy who was found wandering on Montrose Road in Kingston on Friday. The boy, who gave his name as Shenada Thompson, was found wandering in the area approximately 7 p.m. However, he was unable to say where he lived, the police have stated. Anyone with information that can assist the police in reuniting Shenado with his family is being asked to contact the Matilda's Corners Police Station at 876-987-6803, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.